Para él venga aquí, lo mismo de hacer.
¿Está in? No, todavía no. Not yet. You can see the inside right here. Pretty good boat. No leaks whatsoever. Go ahead, turn it on one more time. Engine is sound. What year is the engine? 25 horsepower. Y ahora el motor.
Sacar el casco,
What's it got? Brand new what?
Brand new water pump.
Got a brand new water pump.
Clean carburetors.
Rebuilt carburetor.
And it's ready to go.
Ready to go, folks. Email me at that email down there. Contact me and we'll give you some more information. But as you can see, nice and clean, well maintained. The description is right up top. And this is only for local delivery. Okay, so you guys are welcome to come back and try the boat out. Just contact me, okay? How long is it? ¿Qué largo el bote? 14 foot boat.